Are you looking for the best portable treadmills under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness ASUNA SpaceFlex Electric Running Treadmill. Next up, this is also another treadmill that you should not miss as well if you are planning to buy one less than $1,000. What we have here is the Sunny Health and Amp Fitness ASUNA SpaceFlex, which looks really sleek and eye-catching. This is a kind of treadmill that you can also fold in as well when you stop using it. Furthermore, there are also wheels built in as well that makes the process of using it more handy. You can choose 8 different running programs that already come with the treadmill out of the box, and making more 3 on your own is possible. When it comes to durability, this product is going to last long because it is made out of aluminum just like the last one. There's also a monitor that keeps tracking of your activities, which is kind of nice and helpful. Since the motor that it uses has 2.5 horsepower, the performance is going to be super strong too. Another key thing to note, this treadmill offers you 12 inclining options to choose from. Number 2. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness Electric Slim Folding Running Treadmill. This is the treadmill that comes from Sunny Health and Amp Fitness once again. This time, we bring you another one that is also looking pretty nice as well. This is a kind of treadmill that is made out of steel, which means it is going to be super durable. You will be able to run without any fear. It has a motor that comes with 2.5 horsepower, and that is quite strong for you to use for your daily running activity. It comes with a screen that you can make use of to know the details of your running, such as distance, time, calories burned, etc. In addition, it also comes with pulse sensors, therefore you will also be able to keep track of your heart rate as well. As you all can see, this is an absolutely nice product because it has a pretty attractive compact design. More than that, saving some space is also what you can do too with this thing. Feel free to fold it up when you are not using it to save even extra space. What you need to know is that this treadmill also comes plus with a holder for any mobile device, which is a really beneficial thing for you. Number 3. OVICX Q2S Folding Portable Treadmill. If you are looking to get one of the best treadmills with a compact size, then you are in the right place. This is the OVICX Q2X, and it has a quite small size with a strong performance. It features a 3 HP motor that is capable of running up to 8.7 miles per hour. The running area of the treadmill also provides you with a comfortable feeling when you run. That way, you will not give up on what you do easily. Moreover, the weight capacity of 265 pounds will allow you to make use of that treadmill with no worries at all. Plus, the treadmill is foldable, which means you will be able to save more of your space. After running, just fold it up, and you are good to go. With less noise, you will still be able to do exercise while there are sleeping babies in your house. When it comes to keeping track of your details of running, it is pretty handy because there is an LED screen on the treadmill. Number 4. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Under Desk Treadmill 2-in-1. Coming to the 4th ranking of the list, we have got another good product for all of you, which is from Rhythm Fun. This is a kind of treadmill that comes with a unique look, but it actually looks really nice and futuristic. Even if it has a different look from the others, you still be able to fold it easily. Moreover, this treadmill is quite lightweight as well, so moving it from one place to another is such a piece of cake. While using it, you can choose to run or walk by just adjusting the setting that is provided. By seeing this for the first time, you might ask if it has a screen for the info or not. Of course, there is, but at the lower part of the machine. It shows you the calories that you burned, the distance, etc. More than that, you will also be able to use it with a smart app on your mobile devices to keep track of your exercise process. Just like most products on the market, this one also makes less noise, which does not annoy the babies or your sleeping family members. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill is what we are showcasing to you in the 3rd ranking of the list. The reason is that this is one of the best treadmills on Amazon as well as one of the most rated. A huge benefit that it provides is the free iFit membership, which is your personal trainer for 1 month. By looking at this product, you will feel that it is really durable because it really is. Further than that, this treadmill has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, so we believe that it is not going to break down easily. Plus, it also comes with smart response motor, which means the speed will be really effective. Another good thing, this also comes with Flex Select cushioning on the area that you place your feet on in order to protect your joints. There is also a screen in front of you when you run, therefore, you will be able to know the details of your activity. It will show burnt calories, distance, time, etc. On top of that, your phone or tablet can also be placed on it as well.